What's up, guys? It's your girl Mimi, and I'm back with another video. Hey, what's up, y'all? How are y'all doing? Welcome in. Guess what? We got another unboxing video for you guys today. We're gonna be unboxing the HyperX Quadcast S. I'm super excited about that. I've been wanting to upgrade my mic for a little while now, so I'm really excited to get into this unboxing. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by and checking your girl out. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Go ahead and pause the video right now, hit that subscribe button, okay? Go ahead and hit that thumbs up because you're gonna like the video. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Let's get into this unboxing. Guys, also be sure to follow me on Twitch. I do my live game streams on there. I play all kind of different games, first person shooters, open world games, sports games, whatever games, you name it, I'm playing it. So be sure to follow me on Twitch, and you can follow me on all my social media at MimiGames90. I'll leave some links to my social media in the description box below, and you'll also see some little pop-ups on the screen here. But here's what we're here for. This is what we've been waiting for, this moment right here. I've been eyeing this mic for the longest. It looks so beautiful. The packaging looks amazing. I'm just being extra, y'all. I'm just being extra. I'm like super excited. I cannot wait to open this bad boy up and test it out, because I've been using this mic that I have here that I'm using right now. I've been using it for the past several months, and I got it from Amazon. I probably paid 50 to 60 bucks for it. This mic has cute little colorful RGB lights. So I'm super excited about that. I'm like fascinated with lights. Like, I love freaking colorful LED lights, RGB lights, whatever. I love it. As you can see, I have my little PlayStation light back here. I have like little light strips. I have colorful lights back there on the wall back there. So yeah, all right, okay, unboxing time. I cannot wait to get this open. You know what, the last time I did an unboxing, I didn't come prepared. And it took me forever to open up the box, and here I go again, another unboxing video, and I did not come prepared. I should have brought a knife. Why didn't I bring a knife? Guys, next time I do an unboxing video, please remind me to bring a freaking knife to the video. Because, you know, I don't want to go ahead and open stuff up ahead of time, because it would defeat the purpose of it being a unboxing video. And yeah, we're gonna spend 50 years trying to open up the box because I don't have what I need. And instead of just getting up to go get me a knife, I'm still sitting here struggling with the box. But we getting there. We got it open. Almost. Yeah. Man, I'm super excited. And then we're gonna test it out on the video to see if we can notice a difference. Alright, so I gotta pull this. It looks like it's encased in this plastic pretty good. I'm just gonna toss the box over there for now. Is there more tape? It doesn't look like it. Ooh. Okay, so we're opening it up. I just dropped something. I don't know what that was. I just dropped. Oh, okay. That's the cord that you use to hook it up to your computer. Ooh, look at it. It's so sexy, y'all. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything else. Okay, this must be for if you want to attach it to an arm, which eventually I will get one of those because the arm I have is very noisy. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. So I'm definitely going to invest in a different mic arm eventually. The one I want is a little pricey. It's about the same price as this, to be honest. I think it was like, I got this for like 150 at Best Buy, and the mic arm that I want is like 120 at Best Buy. And I was like, I think I'll hold off on the mic arm for now and just use this. Just set it on the desk. Look at it. It's so cute. Look at it. So it comes with its own little stand. And I've seen a lot of people like just have it sitting on their desk and they're not even using like a mic arm, because you really, from what I see, you really don't need it. You can just set it on the desk and it picks up your voice very well. So we're going to test this baby out. I'm going to hook it up, and then when we come back, I'm going to be using this mic. So it's going to take me a few minutes to set it up. Give me a few moments, guys, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and we have our mic here. I hope me here. I knocked some stuff over on my desk, but I hope me handling it is not affecting the audio too much. I don't know, because I didn't test it out with me holding it in my hand and showing you guys. But this is the mic. It is hooked up, and I did test out the sound though before I came back. The sound is amazing. Look, I'm gonna set it on my desk. It's just over here to the side on my desk, and you guys can hear me perfectly fine. I am so freaking excited. I'm so freaking excited. You know, I may not even get an arm. I haven't really decided yet. I feel like I have so much space now. I took the old arm off. As you can see, you don't see the mic in my face, but it's over here over to the side, and you guys can hear me just fine. I'm seeing the audio levels on my OBS, and you guys can hear me just fine. Like, it's over there, and I can adjust the audio if I want to, like I'm doing that now. I really don't know how it sounds at this moment because I'm not listening. But I'm like super excited, y'all. I cannot believe this. Like I said, I've been eyeing this mic for the longest, and I have it on the default settings. I know there's so many different things, so many different settings you can change it to. So I'm gonna like do my research and figure out what's the best settings for streaming and recording videos and stuff. I just wanted to get this unboxing video out for you guys. But once I learn more about it, I want to learn more about the color changing and the patterns and all that stuff, see what kind of pattern I want. I'm sure you can do like a solid color or certain patterns or like specific colors that you want to use or whatever. So I got a lot of research to do to figure out more about this mic. But I'm happy with the product. Right out of the box, it sounds amazing. I know you can probably enhance the sound. I don't know much about audio and stuff like that. So like I said, I had to do my research. But if you're looking for a good quality mic that's not gonna break the bank necessarily, I mean, like I said, it was like $150 on Best Buy. It's still, I mean, it's a little pricey, but it's not as pricey as some mics I've seen. Some mics are really super expensive, but I think this is a decent price, you know, mic. If you're wanting to spend a little extra money on a mic, that's one to get. The HyperX Quadcast S. They also have a cheaper version, just the regular Quadcast. The color is, the RGB color is red. That's the only difference really, is that this one you have the color changing RGB lights, and the regular Quadcast is just solid red. So still, they have the same features and everything. It's just the color changing. I wanted the color changing because, like I said, I'm super fascinated with colorful lights. So that's the one I decided to go with. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, leave a comment down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you will know when I post a new video. Oh, also be sure to hit that post notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. That's the catch. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I'm definitely going to be using this mic soon on Twitch. I'm probably gonna stream. I want to stream right now, to be honest. I really want to hop on stream right now, just so I can use this mic. But I'll probably stream tomorrow night if I don't hop on tonight. Who knows? Who knows? And I will see you guys next time. Peace.